Good morning to everyone. I am very aware that we've all spent the last 4 days listening to inspiring and informative panelists and presentations, networking with like-minded professionals, some career-long friends and others complete strangers that we met this week. So I fully appreciate that everyone is one speech away from either heading home to start the summer or going directly to that massive pool and cabana that has been staring at us all week.